Yo, what's good, everybody? It just happened to be nice, and I just happened to get 200 subs today, bruh. Can y'all believe that? That's crazy. Y'all gotta remember, I came from a small little town. I went to high school with like 200 people, so that's crazy to me. Dude, I don't know, it's a little surreal. I was just like, oh yeah, thanks for 100 subscribers. That's crazy, but dude, now I got 100 more. That's insane. My class in high school was 75 people. I think it was 73 actually. That's crazy. I'm also not feeling too grand. I'm just a little mucusy, bro. It's disgusting is what it is. I don't really like talking to myself when I'm going over 40. Oh my, yo, look at the cows, bruh. Thank you for 200 subs. That's insane to me. Yeah, I don't care if half of y'all are bots. I doubt it, because y'all are returning watching videos. It's really crazy to me. And I am greatly appreciative. I mean, I guess now that I have like a little audience, some of my goals, I want to learn how to wheelie. I just want to get balance point and clutch in. That's all I want to be able to do. I wouldn't consider myself some guy who wants to stunt or none of that nonsense. I just want to be able to woo and clutch in. That would be sick. Other than that, I love making these videos. Got a bunch more made, but I'm about to start working 6 days a week, dude, which is kind of weird, but you got to do what you got to do. I'll have less free time. I'll be making a bunch of like nighttime videos or something. I'll make time for it. Worst comes to worst, I'll be able to ride every Sunday. Yeah, the weather's starting to get nice again here in Texas, so that's nice. I don't have much to say. I'm kind of like shell-shocked, I guess. It's crazy, dude. 200 people. Let's see, the bike's kind of warmed up now. Oh! I'm trying to get used to it. Once it gets nicer out, dude, you best believe I'm gonna learn how to wheelie, bro. What else is there to talk about? Look at this field, bro. So beautiful. I'd love to be a cow. That sounds weird. Okay, am I the only one who imagines themselves as different animals? What animal would I want to be? An alley cat? That sounds like fun, bro. Dude, I need some more nonsense to talk about. Bro, 200 subs, bro. That's crazy talk. Let me flip a mirror out. I'm scared of it, and I mean, it's righteously so. This sun is deadly, dude. Holy. I kind of want to get better at talking, but I also don't care. When you talk in the videos, it makes it so much harder to edit. If you like talking, then that's cool. I'm glad. Because, I mean, you know, that's me. I mean, most of my videos are just going to be the way they have been. I have the most fun making them that way. Let's try another one. I'm scared of it. I have a video of me popping it up, freaking scaring the shiznits out of me. Also, with my new gearing, it comes up faster. It's a learning process. People ride for 10 plus years and still never learn how to wheelie, so I'm not too worried about it. That's my goal. I want to learn how to wheelie before I sell this bike. This little bad beast. I'm trying to be a street killer. If y'all know, you know. Thank you everybody for 200 subs. I'm super grateful. I think that's insane. Look at all them cows. Beautiful. They're fans too. My goal, I'm going to try to get three videos a week. It just depends on the weather, really. What I'm able to record. Never mind. Cut all of that out, bro. Cut all of it out. Whee! I love motorcycles, dude. Like, this just feels so free. Like, there's just, ugh. I wonder if I could clutch up in second gear. Dude, clouds are so beautiful. So gorgeous. Like, what? Look at that. How is that even real? How are clouds real, bro? It doesn't make sense. I just can't help it. That's the problem. Such an entitled motorcyclist I am. No! It's closed, dude. Oh, it's because it's on the other side. Dude, I'm special ed, bro. Should I just get it right here? I should. I'm totally gonna get it right here. She's a beauty. Love y'all. Everybody have a blessed day, and see you in the next video. Boop.